Hello everyone, today is the worst day to be alive. There is to be a Category 4 hurricane coming. It is basically going to hit us, and the windows are not blocked. So we're going to block them today. Let's get on. Yeah, that's cool. Since that we're going to be, so Mason, tell them how bad this hurricane is.
Category 4 hurricane will be hitting us. It's Hurricane Dorian.
And it's coming on what day?
Monday or Tuesday.
Yep. And that's why we have these.
Today is Friday.
We should use the metal one.
These ones are fine.
You say yes. We're listening. Daddy's taking a poop with the door. Okay. So guys, let's just see what we need to block. Alright. There's glass right there. There's glass right there. So yeah, guys, this is gonna be pretty epic. Always and why, guys, be careful. I always want to keep my channel nice and clean and that stuff about very big. So yeah, I want to always keep channels great, but a couple months ago, my grandpa died. If you don't believe me. Alright guys, let's just keep going with it. Let's see what Mason says. Nah, let's just go here. Alright, we definitely get this out of here. That's not right. Okay, everyone, I want you to be safe while the hurricane comes. It's to be a very big one. I do not want you guys to go. And please just be safe. Don't go outside while the hurricane's going on. It's gonna kill you. And always put up shutters. And I love you all. I love you all. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification button, and never miss a video. First thing, we need to block this door. Glass. We need to block all these windows right here. Right, Mason? Even that window. The outside windows, blocked.
No, we're going to put them on the outside. So
Yeah, I know.
get the big things through the door.
That will be impossible. So they coming?
I have my gloves and we're about to
So everyone, we are basically doing is that we're basically going to fix this dojo. Not really fix, but help this dojo survive a hurricane. Right, Mason?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. So let's just go on the mountain news. Okay, let's just do that, I guess. Yeah, so if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like that button, and hit that like button, and I always want subscribers. Subscribe, hit the notification button to never miss a video. Oh, those are the shutters? Awesome.
Those are pretty heavy, yeah.
That's the shell. It's really heavy. This is why I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. We need to call Maria, my dad's assistant. Maria. I don't know who Maria is. She's a good person who works. So yeah, everyone. I always want you guys to stay good. I won't be making a video for, I know I haven't made a video for a long time. Just been in school. Also, getting ready for a hurricane. I won't make it until the hurricane's over. If the hurricane is already worse, then I won't make a video. So yeah. Oh yeah, one thing. Can you see them? Oh my god, the big monkey right here. It means I see the monkey picture, but we just ripped it off. If you guys can't see it, and I'm the only one who can see it, sorry. Just be safe. Just be safe, everyone. Now, I'll be ready for the hurricane. Alright, give me a like button, subscribe, hit that notifications button. Also tell me if you were found in the future, and also, please don't forget me. Bye. Martial arts. Hi guys, yeah, I'm sorry I haven't made a video. So yeah, I will like to see you guys next week. So yeah, have a great weekend.